Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jessica with another amazing video. So today on this video I'm going to be telling you all about the Nikilive app. Yeah, because I know I've been making other videos on it, but this one is basically all you need to know as a new user on the Nikilive app. All you need to do to perform all the tasks you need to perform for you to be able to earn money on the Nikilive app live streaming app rather. So if this video interests you, do well to stick to the end of this video. And for my new subscribers, I just want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel, and also to my returning subscribers. Of course, I'm not going to forget you guys. Thank you guys for your engagement on my channel. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, and thank you for sharing my videos. I am so much grateful. Alright guys, so without wasting any much of your time, I'm going to be telling you what the Nikilive app is all about, how you perform your tasks, what you need to know about the app. I'm going to be taking you through the practical aspects of this video too on the main app, so you guys know how to go about the app and start making your own legit money and withdraw to your bank account. So let's get straight to the video. Firstly, what is the Nikilive stream app all about? The Nikilive stream app is a new app which is just recently launched that pays its users great incentives. Yeah, if you download this app and you start performing your tasks on this app daily, for the first week you can accumulate up to $10 or even more than $10, which you can withdraw to your bank account. I have videos on that. So that's all about the Nikilive app stream, what it means, what it's all about. It's a live streaming app. You know, the way you do live streaming on TikTok, the way you do live streaming on Instagram, the way you do live streaming on Facebook too. This is what you're going to come and incorporate in this app, and it pays you for doing just like 2 hours tasks on this app. So that is all about Nikilive. So the next thing you need to know is that this Nikilive live stream app pays females only. What do I mean? I mean it's only the female accounts that earn on this Nikilive app. Just like the Poppo live stream app, the Nikilive app only accepts the female account. So if you register as a male account, you get to know that you don't have any tax at all. So you're not giving any tax to, you know, perform any live stream for you to earn until they tell you to get to a particular level. But I don't know if they're going to give you any tax at the end of the day when you get to the level. But I know that for the female accounts, immediately you register as a new user, you'll be given a whole tax for you to be able to perform for 2 hours. But it's not 2 hours straight, okay? But you can do it because you have 24 hours to conclude that tax. All right, so you can do that tax for 2 hours and you get paid up to $1.50. okay, if you calculate it, you'll see how I mean. Then at the end of the first week on the app as a new user, you should be able to you should have already accumulated $10, which you can withdraw immediately to your account, your account digits. Yeah, so then thereafter you just have little tax that you can be doing, still the live stream, but you just been giving little amount. Okay, so you have a 7 days user bonus. All right, so when it expires on the 7th day, they'll be just giving you the normal live stream tax, although it's money, but it's not really that much. So that's all about that. So yeah, it's only accommodates the female accounts, and it pays you daily for the live stream tax, and it's legit because I have series of withdrawal proof I'll be showing you at the end of this video. I've withdrawn from this app I think 2-3 times. I've even withdrew for people. So if you need to withdraw from the Nikilive app too, I can assist you. My number will be in the digits. If you have any issues, or if you want to have any question at all, you can just DM me on WhatsApp. I'll be there to answer you. And if you have any question at all, you can even drop them in the comment section. All right, so if you've watched up to this moment, you've not smashed the like button, please do well to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and also turn the little bell icon so you get notified whenever I post any video related to Nikilive, Poppo live stream, and any other app that pays legit money. So that's all about the brief explanation I have for you guys about the app. So let's just get straight to the practical aspect of the video. I'm going to show you how you're going to perform your tax. I'm going to show you where you need to see your tax, and I'm also going to show you where you need to receive the earnings when you're done with your tax, and other things you need to know about this app. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright guys, you're just basically going to go to your Play Store or your App Store and you search for the Nikilive app. Just search for the Nikilive app and you're going to see the Nikilive app. It's showing open here because I've already downloaded it. So all you have to do is to install it. Then when you install it, all you have to do is to open it. But I'm going to show you where I have it on my on my phone already, so then you can make use of the app. So here it is. It's already installed, so I just have to tap on it. Then you're going to register. Okay, you're going to register on the account. Mine is registered already. I think they accept emails for now. They accept emails for now, because many people are always telling me that it's like their number, if they want to use their number, they're not getting SMS. So just make use of your email number to register as a female. Okay, so when you register as a female, you just come into the what's the name, come into the app like this. You're going to see, this is my mom's account. Okay, so I'm just using to make this video. All right, so she just newly registered. All right, and she has performed today's tax. That's why you can see this amount right here. Okay, so once you're in here, if you want to join my agency, all you have to do is to go to my number that I'll be leaving in the description below, and I'll also be leaving it in the comment section. Just take a screenshot of this. I'll need to see your ID number. You just be sending me this ID number. You can actually copy it with this icon here. You can copy it here. You can just tap on it to copy it and send it to me on my DM on WhatsApp. Okay, or you can even send it, if you don't have access to my WhatsApp, you can send it to my YouTube channel. I'll just go straight and add you to my agency. Okay, so when I add it to my agency, let me show you what next. You're going to receive a message like this. So I'll be sending you an invite with your ID. So all you have to do is to click on this inbox you have here. When you click on the inbox, you see this official message. Tap on it, you will see my invite, which I'll be sending to your ID. Immediately you send me your ID, I'll just send you the invite. Then you go to your inbox to come and agree to join my agency yourself. Okay, so I can't add you automatically, except you accept to be in my agency. So immediately you tap on it, you're going to tap on join, and you see that to say I invite you to join the guard. Only accept from Jesse team if you know you come through me. If you see this, just know it is me. If you don't see this picture Jesse team rather, and my ID, just know that it's not me. So you just tap on accept. All right, then when you tap on accept to join, you receive another message that congratulations, you've joined my agency successfully. So that's the major step you need to do immediately you've registered on the app. First send me your ID, and I'll just send you an invite. Then you accept from your inbox. Then afterwards you can then start your tax, which I'm going to be showing you now in the next page, how to start your tax to start earning on the app.